For Kunda breathing, you need to keep moving your belly up and down. Without hands, if you are doing it, if you are not able to use your hands, then keep doing it like this movement, continuous movement, in and out movement throughout 30 minutes. Like this, you keep on moving. And when your aunt is using the hand, you can use your hands like this. And when you are doing it, then you can make use of both the hands, and it should be at the level. In sleeping position, this is suppose the level, then like this you should keep and move, and your attention should be on the level. Your attention should be the breath awareness should be only on inhalation and exhalation of breath. So you can pay attention to you should pay attention to your breath incoming and outgoing, and remain present to the breath for 30 minutes. In between, if you get sleepy or you go into different state, then let it happen. Allow the process to happen and don't resist it. And trust the process. And when your aunt is healing you, ask her that to pay intention that you should be healed, and ask the universe and divine forces to heal you well, and pay gratitude to me all the time when you are doing this process. It will work better when you are in gratefulness towards me. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me later. All right.